All right, guys, we're back. And being that mostly what I talk about is gun safes, probably found the coolest one in the building, let's be honest. This is the Headrest Safe Company. Not only do I have just anybody to talk to, but I've got Irv, the man, the myth, the legend, who came up with this idea, and he's gonna tell us all about it right now. Tell us.
Hey, Rob, it's all like this. This goes on the passenger seat. So even while you're driving, you're in the front seat, you can pull it open with your hand. Don't even have to look at it. You use your thumb or a keypad. Simple twist of the knob and it's open. You can reach in, grab anything up to a 1911.
1911.
Good and large. And at night when you go inside, you take it with you. The kids can't get to it. It stays locked up at night. If you need it to make bank deposits, if you got cash or other items you want to secure, this is the way to do it. We got 18 gauge steel, 16 gauge steel on the door, it's fully lined with foam rubber, even has a saddle in the back that holds your pistol straight up and down and in place, even on the roughest roads.
That's so awesome.
The lock has a biometric, has a keypad, even has a USB should the battery go dead and you need to power it up and change the 2 AAA batteries. Underneath this knob, actually there's a place for a hard key, so if all else fails, you're gonna get in one way or the other.
And then you can go either keypad or biometric.
Any way you want.
Either way.
And cut, I gotta get some parts.
Yep. Stay with me, don't lose me. You're gonna wanna see this next part.
So the way you would order this, or where you would purchase it, is by color. The size and shape vary a little bit between the 2 models.
Yeah.
But the way it goes into your vehicle is with this bracket that's fully adjustable. So you would take the bracket, put it in the seat, tighten it down, and then it gets screwed to the bottom of the safe. And you're like, well, how's it not gonna be pulled out and run away and break it?
Anybody can just rip this thing out, right?
Well, in the bottom of these posts, it's actually threaded to accept an all thread. And at the end of the all thread is going to be this toggle bolt, which prevents it. Once you put it in the seat, it prevents it from pulling out. And when you're ready to take it out, you have to undo the 4 screws, put pressure on it. And while you have pressure on it, you will unscrew it. And this falls in the seat.
Right.
Take it to your next car. Can last years and years, car after car.
That is amazing. Where can they get this product?
You can get it from Amazon. You can get it online at the headrestsafe.com. You get it from Midway. You get it from Optics Planet. We're at a lot of locations now. But
so curious, warranty options?
What's that?
Is there warranty options? Yeah.
If it breaks, we're gonna fix it or replace it.
That's how you do business. I guarantee it.
And money back guarantee. If it gets to your house and for some reason it doesn't work,
right,
we'll replace it. But no one has yet to replace it because they didn't like it.
Okay, yeah.
They get it home and they go, oh, I didn't know I had speakers in my headrest. It's like, man,
I never thought about that.
Send it back.
That is pretty cool.
But yeah, we've had great success. We're in 25 different countries. We have a look-alike that goes on the driver's side. So now both headrests.
Oh, there you go.
Both headrests look the same. It's all part of the package.
Yeah.
$499 for the slide. And then we have another model that's $399. It's the version 1 or the Vulcan.
Perfect. All right, guys, head over to it. We'll put the link in the description below so you can go check this out. And Irv, thank you so much for showing us the Headrest Safe. This thing is amazing.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Thanks for stopping by.